Hey boys and girls, welcome back. Today we're gonna actually be working on a cardboard bird. So we actually already traced our body of our bird onto this board. And we have traced the wings right about here. We traced another wing over here. So we're gonna actually cut this up. So the supplies that you're gonna be needing is actually a cardboard. Then do the body of your bird. We're gonna need some scissors. Be careful with the scissors when you guys go ahead and start cutting. We also gonna need some paint. So my daughter's actually gonna be doing this project. Miss Kineshi Pantoja, say hi, Kineshi.
Hello.
So she's actually gonna be doing this project herself. She picked the red color, orange color, yellow, gray, and blue, purple, and pink, but you could choose your own colors. She just chose these because they were really bright, vibrant.
It's to attract birds.
And we're gonna need other cardboards too to actually create the legs and the remainder of the tail. We're also gonna need hot glue, but that's gonna be one of our last steps. So we're gonna go ahead and what we're gonna start doing is we're gonna cut off our body and then we're gonna get into the painting. You could go ahead and create whatever painting, whatever design you wanna do on your painting. Ganesha's gonna do whatever she chooses to make. She's gonna be doing little different designs. So you get creative with this part and I'll see you on the next step, which is gonna be the gluing part. So I hope you guys enjoy coloring and cutting off your bird because we're gonna actually put this outside ourselves. I don't know what you guys are gonna be doing, but we're gonna put it outside on our yard. So I see you in the next step, guys. So Ganesha actually finished painting her bird now. She actually got the head right here. She did little designs on her body. As you see, this is the top of it. So you got to remember that you have the body piece. We're actually going to do 3 different feathers, smaller feathers. And this is going to actually go on the corner of the end of your bird. And we're going to glue it on there. We're also going to need 2 of the big feathers, which is going to go in the body. One is going to go in the back, and one is going to go on the front of the body, on the top. And then we also going to be needing the beak. So that's going to be going right there on the part of the face to create the face and the little eye.
I'm going to add some eyelashes.
They're going to add some eyelashes too as well. And last but not least, you're going to have 2 long rectangle pieces and then 6 smaller ones, and that's what you're going to use to create
for his toenails.
There you go. So let's glue this all together and see how it comes out.
Okay. beautiful bird.
So as you see, she put in a lot of colors. It looks amazing. It looks vibrant. So we're about to go hang it up outside, and we're gonna take a picture so that way you guys can see how it really looks like, because it's so big you guys can't see it right now. So I hope you guys like this project and tune in for the next one. Bye.
Bye.